Yeah? But this is amazing. I mean, it means a lot. Mama wengalo tezimala as she's happy. Why you look so amazing. I love you so much. Let me tell you guys, she's one of my mentors, yeah? Yeah, the negative media has been trying to spoil that, but it's not gonna change. It's not gonna change. I love you so much. And thank you for changing our industry. Thank you for what you do for the women. I mean for all of us. I love you so much. So much. And thank you for honoring my invitation. Come on, guys. You want to say something? Oh, I don't know. This makes me so nervous. Hi, Spice. This is beautiful. Man, for me, moments like this as a woman, they make me so happy. Because I'm a feminist. I'm not a fake feminist, but a real feminist. So I really love moments like these. I've had so many of my fellow artists in the big building. I've seen the males. I've seen so many around you. But man, it's Spice's night. Congratulations. I see you. I came here to tell you that I see you. I respect you. I respect your hustle. Yeah. I came here to tell you that I know that the males in the industry started this by dividing the females so that they can keep winning. But now they can't do that again. We are going to unite together. We are going to support each other. I'm here today for you. Everybody's here today for you. I can't wait for the day I can do anything you would want me to do. I'm here, and I hope you know that I'm here. Thank you so much for inviting me. Guys, it's Spice's night. Let me hear say, female future is now. The female is now. Thank you so much. I love you so much, Spicy. Thank you for this moment. Good night, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much, Sheebah. This means a lot to my career. It means so much. I love you, Sheebah, and I don't take this moment for granted forever in my life. Thank you so much. I want to thank once again every artist that made it tonight to this. It's not a concert like I've said, but thank you for making it so big. So we continue. Oh my God, I'm so. Sing this verse with me if you know the song. Listen, you ready? Know you're ready when you're ready. You got to like butter and bread in it. What you gonna do when you go to it? My VIP people, let me hear you say, yeah. My God, yeah. Everybody say, yeah. Everybody say, yeah. You ready? You know I'm ready. You ready? Know you're ready when you're ready. You ready when you're ready.
sweetest human being ever. So Spice, I love you so much. But most importantly, I'm so proud of you because getting here takes a lot of work, especially for women. Being in this industry and you're a woman is not easy. So you need to respect every chick who's made it and come this far like me. You need to respect that because it's not easy. We live in an industry where a woman is judged more than the man. And yet we have more responsibilities than the men. Which take it. Guys do it in sneakers, we do it in heels. And then we also have to have babies. And then we have to take care of our husbands and still be on top. That's amazing. I'm just saying, women, all right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to take this opportunity to introduce Star Girl, the EP. Put your hands together for Spice Diana's EP. Tonight is a special night. Star Girl, the EP, ladies and gentlemen.
Just before you go, can I take a picture with you, please?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the EP. I hope you love it. It's special. It's especially done for you guys. Enjoy it.
Okay.
I'm going to do the same.
Put your hands together for Juliana Kanyomozi.